let's cut right to the chase. You're here because you're looking for strategies to film your video introduction for your Upwork profile. And I'm glad you're here because the video introduction is one of the most important aspects of your entire Upwork profile. Because when your potential clients watch your video introduction on your Upwork profile, they're gonna be able to immediately tell that you're a real human being, you're not some robot, and you're not gonna scam them. Plus, you're able to build massive amounts of trust with those potential clients via video compared to just a written introduction. And that's because when clients watch this video introduction, you're able to establish a human connection to them. So with that being said, in today's video, I'm gonna cover the two main strategies that I teach members of my premium Upwork community on how to film their video introductions. And I'm gonna show you a live example for each of them. Now, strategy number one is pretty simple. All you're gonna do is pop up a camera, speak directly to the camera, and introduce yourself. You're gonna say who you are, so what's your name, where are you from, what services are you offering on Upwork, how did you first get started offering those services, what experience do you have offering those services, and then anything that makes you unique compared to all of the thousands of other freelancers and agencies who are offering similar services as you. Now, a quick point to make here. When I say talk about how you first got started, this is a great way to showcase how unique you are. And so if you're offering social media management services on Upwork and you got your start because you wanted to help your family business blow up on social media and get more customers, and you did that, and then you started offering the service as a freelancer or an agency, that's a terrific story to talk about. Clients are gonna care about that, and it's gonna make you unique from everybody else. Now here's an example of a member of my premium Upwork community who used strategy number one to film their video introduction and went on to earn thousands and thousands of dollars.
All right, so this is Marco, and he runs a marketing agency based in the US, and we helped him go from zero to earning over $10,000 on Upwork and getting the top rated badge. And this is his video introduction. So right off the bat, you're gonna see he introduces himself to people and starts talking about the background and his professional background, and then talking about how he can use that to help potential clients.
Hi, my name is Marco Aguiluz. Thanks for stopping by my Upwork profile and considering me for your next project. For the last 10 years, I've been working in the healthcare industry as a sales and business development and marketing expert. The last 3 years of those, I've been freelance marketing on the side, and recently I've joined Upwork. I've been super happy to find new clients over here and offer my expertise. One of the things that I'm really good at is looking at my clients' business, trying to understand their product or service, and help them deliver a solid marketing strategy so that they can be effective and help them boost their revenues and reach their goals. A few key points to name off that I'm experienced in is sales consulting, marketing consulting. I have experience in social media, LinkedIn, running ads on Meta, graphic design, as well as copywriting. More recently, I've been helping a lot of people who have coaching programs, consultants, people who have courses that are looking to expand and sell their digital products. I've also worked with people that have e-commerce companies that are selling physical products, supplements, dietary products, things of that nature. I also offer my expertise as a sales consultant and coach, worked with a lot of people in the real estate industry, and I've been able to apply these skills that I've learned from doing business to business sales, direct to consumer sales. Same thing with business to business marketing and business direct to consumer marketing. So if you're looking for somebody.
And then you're gonna see right here, he transitions into a nice, simple, soft call to action, just telling people that if they are interested in working with them, telling them where to go and how to set up a meeting with them.
To help you boost the revenue of your company, or you need a marketing expert when it comes to crafting a solid marketing campaign and strategy, feel free to send me a message. Tell me about the job that you need help with, schedule a call, and we'll see if I'm a good fit for your job. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope we get to speak soon.
Now, strategy number two is a little bit more complicated. Essentially, you're gonna pop up a camera and speak directly to the camera for 30 seconds introducing yourself. You're gonna say who you are, what's your name, where are you from, and what services you're offering on Upwork. And then you're gonna edit in some social proof. So if you have any case studies, if you have any video testimonials, any client interviews, or even really high quality examples of your work, that is a great time to show them, right? And so we're gonna film this quick little intro, and then we're just gonna edit in a bunch of pieces of social proof. And then at the end, you'll also kind of film just a quick outro, right? Something simple, something maybe directing people to send you a message if they liked watching this video. Now, I chose strategy number 2 to film my video introduction because I have lots of social proof. I have video testimonials, I have client interviews, I have case studies, And so I'm gonna show you what my video introduction looks like so you can get a sense as to what strategy 2 would actually look like in real time. And this video introduction helped me close deals worth over $15,000 on Upwork.
All right, so as you guys are about to see here, the first 25 seconds or so of this video introduction is really just me introducing myself and telling people who I am and the services that I offer.
My name is Nico Hessel. I'm the founder and CEO of Social Sync Marketing. We're a social media marketing agency, and we help companies manage their social media presence, create content, run advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, and Google, as well as redesign catalogs. We've got a full team of graphic designers, video editors, copywriters, and an organic growth and engagement specialist, and we consistently produce high amounts of really high quality content for our clients. Next, you'll have a chance to check out a few of our video testimonials from our happy clients, as well as a few case studies.
Hello, my name is Jeff Gillis, and I am the...
And then as you can see here, we roll right into a video testimonial from kind of my average client, who's obviously super happy. And so I'll just kind of skip through here so you don't have to watch the entire thing. But you can see this is about a minute or a minute and a half long. So it's a pretty long video testimonial. And then after that, we transition into another video testimonial from a very different type of company, but also, you know, small business owner who we helped out with social media management stuff. And so you can see we're playing the video testimonial on the left-hand side, and we've got some examples of, you know, graphics we created, animations we've created on the right-hand side. And so that plays for roughly about a minute as well. And then you can see we give people a little, you know, preview as to what's about to come. And really, this next part is just us showing off examples of our work and then telling people the statistical improvements that we've helped these companies achieve with the examples that they're watching, right? So this will be more clear once I start playing this in a second here. But as you can see,
heard of beer battered fish, but we're making wine battered fish.
as you can see, we're just playing some examples, right? And then we're giving people the statistical improvements that we've helped them, you know, achieve, right? Through the examples that people just watched, right? So we kind of go with this same theme here for a little while, right? You can see catalogs we're creating. You can see, you know, images, graphics we're creating. You can see the percentage reach or you know, the percentage increases that we're helping them achieve. Same thing here, right? Just a different type of company, but we're playing, you know, reels that we created for them on the left side. We're showing examples of graphics we designed on the right side. And you can see that plays for a little while. We show, you know, some advertisement stats as well. So you can see those there. And then at the end, we ended off just with kind of a nice little exit, you know, telling people where members of our team are from and telling people that they can message us using, you know, the button on our profile. And that is just about all we've got for this video introduction.
Now, both strategy number 1 and strategy number 2 work really, really well, no matter what service you're offering. I just have one caveat here. If you're offering video editing or even social media management, I would highly recommend going with strategy number 2. The reason being, this video intro is almost also acting like a portfolio for you, right? It is an example of your work. And so even if you don't have reviews or testimonials or client interviews or case studies, then you can just simply show off really high quality examples of your work. And no matter what strategy you go with, just make sure you do the basics right? Make sure you have really good lighting on your face and people can see you clearly. Try and make sure there's not huge shadows behind you. Make sure you have a nice clean background or just something that's plain, right? If you don't have a nice background or any studio you can go to, then just film it with a plain white wall somewhere in your house. Another couple tips is try and have good pacing, right? Don't rush yourself, don't talk too fast, just take a deep breath and let it come out at a good natural pace. I also don't like to script my entire video intros. I typically like to just have kind of bullet points, and that way I can just talk more naturally and it flows better, right? People can tell that I'm not just like reading line by line off a screen. I sound less robotic. And so that's what I would recommend. But you know, that being said, if you really need to script every single last letter of the video, that's okay. Just try and memorize it and don't just be reading off a screen. And if you're having a really tough time with this setup process, a quick tip is you can go on Upwork and create a client account, and you can just hire a freelance video editor, and you can hire them on a consulting basis to just give you basic setup support. And anybody who's doing video editing or video production is gonna know how to give you this basic setup advice. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.